how to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games Launcher, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First, open settings and then click privacy, and now scroll down until you find here background apps, and now just make sure it's turned off. If you find it like that, just turn it off, and then go to your files, documents, my games, Rocket League, TA game, and here just delete cache and click delete, and then restart your PC, and it will be your problem will be fixed. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.